Making this mistake can lead to business problem. First, Vishwakarma Prakash, one of the ancient books on Vastu Shastra, states in chapter 7, verse 13, Vaishanam Purbodigdaram. It means that an east-facing property is most auspicious for businessmen. Second, Mayamatam, another takes books on Vastu Shastra, also in chapter 9, verse 72, Shome Dhanadagriham and Uttare Kuberaho. It means that north direction is placement of Kubera, the god of wealth. Therefore, if a toilet located in the north direction of your business, financial problem may arise in your business. Third, according to AstroVastu, Saturn represents west direction and symbolizes your stuff and labor. If there is any Vastu dosha in the west direction, it may result in stuff turnover, difficulties in retaining labor, or various river related problem in your business.